I'm making my boys some chicken and dumplings. This is 3 cans of chicken broth, a couple of slices of onion, maybe like a half of a small onion, and 5 small potatoes diced, and a clove of garlic. And this chicken is when I made bone broth, I had a lot of chicken left, and so I froze it. And now here's some boneless shredded chicken in here. And now I'm going to make the potatoes are almost done, so I can put the dumplings in. So I have some batter here. I have an old recipe. You get to use any recipe for dumplings you want. I don't have any milk, so I just put cream and water. So I'm going to put the dumplings on next. So turn down the heat to medium-low, and you're going to put the dumplings on the hot broth. And you will cook this just like this, uncovered for 10 minutes, and then covered for 10 minutes. Woohoo! Here's a little bitty dumpling. There's a great big one. Well, I probably made the batter a little too runny, but that's okay. That's why they flattened out. But it's still going to be good. It makes its own gravy.